Did you know that your voice alone can make people stop and listen? Morgan Freeman, he masters this skill.
Let me tell you about a voice. Sometimes that voice is crystal clear. Sometimes it merely whispers. Everybody has one.
Morgan Freeman, an acting legend, but also a world-famous narrator. And today he's revealing how he actually developed that deep voice that radiates charisma and confidence. And to my surprise, it's so much easier than you might think.
Let me get this straight. I remember getting up one morning and going to work. Just another day like any other. Still, it reminded us who we are, what we have. It was worth it, if only for that.
When he speaks, you can't help but listen. It's exactly like Jennifer Hudson is saying in her interview with him.
Your voice has to be one of the most recognizable voices in the world. The impact it has, soon as you speak, does this happen everywhere you go? Soon as you speak, we all get still and it just like draws us in like this.
Is it really that easy to learn? Let's hear it straight from him and then add some quick tips to actually apply it.
Yeah, there are ways to do it. Relaxation is the key.
Okay.
Learn to relax this part here.
Okay.
And you do that by yawning a lot, open your mouth wide, and that kind of relaxes the throat. And if you do that a few times, you're going to realize, you may not hear it, but other people hear, oh, voice is slower than it used to be. And since opening, we should do chicken wings. That helps open up your chest.
His advice, it's so simple and yet so effective. To get that deep, relaxing voice, it's not just lowering your tone of voice. It's really the control of your breath, relaxing your throat, your neck area, and slowing down. You'll see some more examples of exactly what not to do as well. But here's some quick tips to just achieve what he mentioned. And the first thing is to breathe deeply. Slow, deep breaths from your diaphragm, not from your chest. So if you breathe from here, that's not it. So really expand your belly. Slow, deep breaths. It's something you can do not just before you start talking, but I do them daily just to get into that flow and exercising. And the more you breathe deeply and slow from your diaphragm, the deeper your voice will sound and it will resonate. The second thing is yawning. I absolutely love this tip so much because it's so effective. When you're yawning, let me do the opposite first. When you're tightening your throat, like I'm really tightening, and do you hear my voice is actually going up? The pitch of my voice is going higher. But when you're yawning, this whole area is relaxed. Your neck and throat is relaxed. And that is what you want for a deeper, more relaxing voice. Try it out. It's fun, actually. The third thing is slow down and pause when you want to. Just slowing down. Morgan Freeman, he stands out because he's slowing down. He's not rushing what he says. When you listen to him, the fact that he's in such a slow pace, it makes you want to hear more from him. It makes you want to listen.
You're joking, right?
No.
If there's magic in boxing, it's the magic of fighting battles beyond endurance, beyond cracked ribs, ruptured kidneys, and detached retinas.
So don't try to rush into your talk, but just ease, relax, and you sound more interesting when you're slowing down, like you always have something important to say.
Obviously, you're doing it every day for a few weeks. So, and then something's gonna happen. That's what happens.
Then we'll sound like you.
Let me know if you've tried any of these, especially the yawning. I'd love to know from you. Put it down in the comment. Now, I promised you an example of what not to do as well. The opposite of a lower, relaxing, deep voice is a great example that you'll see in a moment from Ross in the episode Friends, where he's saying, I'm fine. And his voice tone goes really up, really high, very stressed, very nervous. So that's what not to do. Have a look.
Gosh, Ross, you seem a little,
What? Fine? Because I am. Huh? Aren't you? Aren't you? Who else is fine?
Keep practicing what Morgan Freeman is suggesting, and you will nail that deep, relaxing voice so fast you'll be surprised. But if you can combine that with a few more voice speaking tips, especially the ones that I'm sharing in this next video with Harvey Specter, oh my gosh, if you combine those, you will not just radiate confidence, but you'll feel on top of the world. I'll see you in that video.
Good luck.